Yoga can be a powerful tool to help balance hormones and alleviate symptoms associated with hormonal imbalances. Here are some yoga poses, practices, and tips to support hormonal balance.
Bhujangasana. For this, we will lie down on our mats on our stomachs. Make sure that your feet are hip width apart. Keep your palms close to your chest and your elbows close to your rib cage. Deep breath in and lifting our head up and chest up. Now if you can straighten your arms, you can come all the way up here. But if you're finding this difficult, you can also stay here in a bent elbow position. Hold this posture for 3 counts. 1, 2 and 3. Exhale, go down. Let's do this 2 more times. Take a deep breath in. Lift your head up, chest up, come up. Make sure your shoulders are away from your ears. If you shrug your shoulders like this, it will cause a lot of strain and stiffness in the shoulder area. So make sure your shoulders are away from the ears. Hold this posture. Keep breathing deeply. 1, 2 and 3. Slowly exhale, go down. Let's repeat this one last time. Take a deep breath in. Lift your head up, chest up and come up and hold the posture for 3 counts. 1, 2 and 3. Slowly bring your head down and chest down. Place your palms one on top of the other. Relax your head over your palms in Makarasana.
We're going to come into camel pose or Ushtrasana. So coming back into Vajrasana and hips going up. Okay, from here we're going to spin one hand and then the other so that the hands are holding the heels. Allow your head and neck to drop down and then push forward with your hips. Allow your head to hang back, and this is essentially working on the ovaries for women. Any of the tension that you've built up here, you can allow it to be released. Consciously allow your hips to be pushed out for 5, 4, remembering to breathe, for 3, last little breath here, and for 1. Slowly with control, don't whip out of it. Chin comes back into your chest as you slowly lower it back down into Vajrasana.
From here, as you inhale, lift the legs up, lift your hips up and support the back. Now if you notice in my Sarvangasana, my hips are not completely in line with my shoulders, and this is one common mistake that happens while transitioning. So when I try to get my feet down to the floor, I am not able to reach the floor because my hips are still far away from my shoulders. So what you want to do is come back into Sarvangasana. First work on walking your palms towards your mid back. From my lower back, I am walking the palms to the mid back, and you notice as I do that, my hips are moving higher, my glutes are engaged, and I am bringing my hips in line with my shoulder. Now I am able to extend the legs up. Now as I exhale, because my hips are in line with the shoulder, it's easier for me to transition into Halasana here. If you're very comfortable, you can interlock the fingers and press the forearms down. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your palms back, find that support, bend your knees and roll down, vertebra by vertebra.
Matsyasana or fish pose. So hands go underneath the bum. Left hand goes under the left bum and your right cheek. Right? Your hands are here. Inhale, lengthen the spine as much as possible. Super point your feet to the front of the mat so that you're flexing your legs. Gently bend down through the elbows. Rest. Inhale, allow the chest to go up to the ceiling. Exhale, head goes back to the floor. Staying here for 4. For 3, imagine like someone is pulling yourself up to the ceiling. For 2, last little breath. Remembering to breathe. And for 1. With control, gently move your chin to your chest. Don't whip out of the pose, especially if you're someone who has blood pressure. Don't whip out of it. Release your hands. Use your hands to straighten your back up.
Feet together into Baddha Konasana. Here you can either hold the big toes with a 3-finger grip or hold on to the feet. So we're going to do the flapping first here again. So start to move the thighs up and down. 1. This will help to release any tension around your inner thighs, which tend to get tight because your knees are knocked in towards each other. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here once again we're going to do one leg at a time. So left hand down, right palm is going to press the thigh down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Place the right hand down, left palm on the thigh. As you exhale, gently press your thigh down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. If you're very comfortable with both the legs going close to the floor, we can try to go forward in this position. So we're going to hold on to the feet. That gives you the grip. From here, take an inhale, lengthen forward. Don't try to get the forehead down. Instead, think you're getting your chin onto the floor. So lengthen ahead, lean forward. Once your elbows start to touch the thighs, use your elbows to press the thighs down. Keep lengthening forward as far as you can go and breathe. 1, hold at your maximum. 2, keep breathing. 3, 4 and 5. Inhale and slowly come back up, and we're going to do one more variation here. You're going to move your heels forward, and now if you look down, you can see like a diamond shape in between the legs. From here, you're going to move only your left foot back into butterfly. So one leg is in a diamond position, one leg is in Baddha Konasana. Hold on to your ankles. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale and lean forward again, pressing the thigh down. Bring the awareness to the outer hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and slowly come up, and let's switch legs. So your left foot goes forward, move the right heel back, hold on to the ankles, inhale and lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Use the elbow to start gently pressing the thigh down. Again, no force. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and slowly come back up.